Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss the next part of the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. Here in this section we shall discuss about circles and its parts. First, what do you mean by a circle? Take two sticks and a piece of rope. Drive one stick into the ground and let this is the center of the proposed circle. Form two loops, one at each end of the rope. Place one loop around the stick at the center. Put the other around the second stick. Keep the sticks vertical to the ground. Keep the rope tight all the time and trace the path. We will get a circle. Naturally, every point in the circle is at equal distance from the center. So, this is the procedure how to draw a circle without using geometrical tool. Then definition. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed two-dimensional curved shape. A circle is a closed two-dimensional figure in which the set of all the points in the plane are equidistant from a given point called center. Few real-world examples include a wheel, dining plate, coin, shape of the sun, moon, etc. Drawing a circle properly is not easy with a running hand. We need a compass, that is a geometric tool, to draw a circle. Then let us discuss different parts of a circle. Here is a circle with center O. A, B, C, D and E are points on the circle. You will see that AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO is equal to EO. Each of the segments AO, BO, CO, DO, EO is the radius of the circle. So, what do you mean by a radius? The radius is a line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle. So, here in this figure, AO, BO, CO, DO, EO are the radii. Radii is the plural of the word radius. Then, what is the diameter of a circle? Here, AO, BO and CO are the radii of the circle. We know that radii of the circle are equal. In this figure, points A, O and B are in a straight line. And we know that AO is equal to BO. So, here AB is equal to 2 into AO or 2 into BO. So, here AB is known as the diameter of the circle. So, as AB is equal to twice of AO or twice of BO, so diameter is the double of the length of a radius. Then chord of a circle. The line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is known as the chord of a circle. Here in this figure, P and Q are 2 points on the circle, and the line segment that joins 2 points P and Q on the circle is PQ. So here PQ is the chord of this circle. Then come to arc of a circle. What do you mean by arc? An arc is a portion of a circle. If P and Q are 2 points, then PQ, that means the curved part, is termed as the arc of the circle. So look at the figure. So this is the arc. Then exterior and interior of a circle. Here in this figure, the interior part of a circle and the exterior part of a circle are shown. The interior of a circle is the set of points whose distance from the center is less than the radius. And the exterior of a circle is the set of points in the plane whose distance from the center is greater than the radius. So here the plane is divided into 3 parts. First one is the interior of the circle, second one the circle itself, and the third one the exterior of the circle. Then what do you mean by sector of a circle? A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other 2 sides is called a sector. Here in this figure, sector is shown. When 2 radii meet at the center of a circle to form a sector, they actually form 2 sectors. One of the sectors is larger than the other unless they are both semicircles, in which case they are of same size. So here in this figure, one is minor sector and another one is major sector. The larger sector is called the major sector and the smaller sector is called the minor sector. In this image, you can see that the minor sector is in green and the major sector is in white color. Then come to segment of a circle. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. In the figure, blue colored part is minor segment and purple colored part is major segment. Then come to semicircle. So this is the figure of a semicircle. A semicircle is 1/2 of a circle. A semicircle is a half circle formed by cutting a whole circle along a diameter line as shown above. Any diameter of a circle cuts it into two equal semicircles. Then what do you mean by circumference of a circle? Take any circular object, use a thread and wrap it around the object once. The length of the thread is the distance covered to travel around the object once. The distance around a circle is termed as its circumference. Here in this figure, the circumference is the distance around this circle. So, this is all about the circle and the parts of a circle. Thank you.